All of the ingredients that I used I will leave in the description. Well, this method I use I am Lee because I am not a sweetbread person, but I tried her method and I just used what fruits that I had. I mixed everything in and I added some more butter because she used a lot of butter and some of my coconut butter, plus I used some of the coconut butter in the coconut milk and blend it so it has a lot of the coconut butter in this recipe. Adding it, so there's coconut butter pieces in the mixture there, and I add some to the coconut milk. Bring everything together and I am going to place it in a preheated oven. What I have noticed about making coconut butter is if you leave it out too long after it is set, it will start to melt. So once it has solidified and you place it in the refrigerator, keep it there because it will just keep melting on you if you're making it all natural. So this is it after it is baked. If you want to see how I put the coconut butter together, the link for that video would be in the end screen. So go check it out. And this bread, oh my gosh, I am the method. Oh gosh, girl, that bread was good. I enjoy every bite. Thanks for watching. I want to mention the coconut butter that was used to make this bread was part of a collaboration with 3 other YouTubers. Their information would be in the description and in the comments.